Cleopatra, the leader of the gang. Winston and every glass of tan. Ernest Butterfly, the real cool guy. An angry parrot is a judge. 2, 3, 4. Cleopatra, distortion. Cleopatra, distortion. Always causing commotion. I'm Cleopatra, distortion.
Cleopatra's Distortion in Lawnmower Races. I'm Cleopatra the Dust Bunny. And I'm Ernest, the Giant Butterfly. That's Angry Carrot. He's a jerk. You're not a butterfly, stupid. You're a water balloon with glue-on wings.
I'm Winston Bear, and I have an eating disorder.
You sure do. And that's mean old Mr. Morrison. He uses a lawnmower as a walker to try to hunt us down.
Yeah, get inside right now!
Where I can hear them! The carrot just called me a stupid butterfly! I'll show them!
Ah! We gotta run! Ah! You're a not smart carrot. Old man Morrison can only move an inch every 30 seconds. We've got lots of time. 12 minutes later. You okay, Winston?
Cleopatra, help me! Help me!
He's okay, Ernest, but we should probably move. Old man Morrison is getting close. Finn!
Cleopatra, distortion. Cleopatra, distortion. Always causing commotion. I'm Cleopatra, distortion.